Where do you keep your personal flotation device? Wherever you keep it, get it out and inspect it now, at the start of the boating season.
Flotation devices are designed and built to rigorous Canadian Coast Guard safety standards and can withstand the toughest of conditions. But eventually the effects of sun, water, and even just normal wear and tear can take their toll and render a PFD unserviceable.
To ensure that yours is serviceable, check that all buckles and fasteners are secure, that the fabric is free of tears, excessive wear and fading, and that all the seams are tight. If your PFD fails your inspection, replace it with a new one, and always choose a PFD that is Canadian Coast Guard approved. Part of the seasonal inspection should be a water test. Try yours out in a swimming pool or safe swimming area to check for proper fit and buoyancy. Legally, you must have one approved life jacket or PFD for each person aboard. But just having them on board may not be enough. Remember, your PFD won't work if you don't wear it. Here's some rules of thumb for wearing PFDs. Children and non-swimmers should always wear them on board any type of vessel, and even when playing near or walking on the docks. Adults should always wear flotation devices when operating smaller, less stable craft like canoes or small open boats. And they should also be worn in any vessel that's operating close to maximum loading, when the weather turns foul, or if you're on an area of the boat where you may be susceptible to falling overboard. In larger boats, if there are adults on board that choose not to wear their PFDs, make sure that everyone knows where they're stored before getting underway. It should be in a dry, clean area that's readily accessible, and you might even mark the location with an easy-to-see label that everyone can spot in an emergency.
Your flotation device is an important part of your required safety equipment, and if you haven't done so yet, maybe now's the time for that pre-season inspection, because you never know just how much things may have changed since last year.